Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial how to create a mobile navigation inside the responsive site designer part 2. My name is Oliver and at first sorry for my bad English and I hope you understand all. This tutorial based on my first video and therefore I will not repeat all the steps. Okay, let's start. In my first video I added two containers into the header area. For this solution I need another element, so I choose subgrid and I need two subgrid columns. So I duplicate this one, and the first I give the same class as in the first, for the first container in the first video. And for the second menu, and important, the ID menu. Okay, let's give him height to 40, and for the menu the same, and a background color. Okay, now we have the same like in the first video with columns. Okay, next step, I create the mobile navigation button in the same way like in the first video. This is the same mobile button like in my first video. I have a menu label and I have a mobile icon, and this is the area for the menu, and in the page settings I have the same few lines of script like in the first video. So let's export the page and try it in the browser. Okay, I go to the first breakpoint, and yes, it works. So now let's start to create the navigation. At first I need a container and drop it to the menu area and a class for this container. If you have no experience in programming, please use the same classes as I. That's very important. So this is Pulldown. Okay, next element we need is a text link. And a class, first level button, and for the submenu I take an unordered linked list, and this is important class name is submenu, and the list type is none. I select the list item link, menu LE, and I change the font, the color, transform it to uppercase, and decoration none. And I do the same with the first level button. Greater font size. And transform uppercase. You see, I renamed the buttons and I added some submenu buttons. And now I start with the styling. The styling depends on your own layout, and I make only the basic stylings. Margin 0. Okay. Same with submenu button. I change unordered list background color. No margins. And the unordered list will not display it. So I set it to none. Okay. Let's go back to the layout. For the pull-down containers, I set the margins to 0 and a float left. Okay, now I copy a few lines of script and I prepared these few lines. This is for the pull down on hover. So I copy these lines into the footer area of the page and I export it. Okay, and we test it in the browser. Okay, it works, but we see that we have to do some more changes. First, I check my pull-down container. I think it's too high. Okay, that's too high. And I give the unordered list a position absolute, and for a submenu buttons minimum white. So now I use a little trick. I use white 200 and give it a minimum white of 200 pixels. This depends on the text, so if I had a smaller text, I can add an extra class, for example, white 180. Okay, let's try it. And now it looks not bad. Go to the first breakpoint. Okay, and now we have to modify the mobile navigation. And I go to the first breakpoint. Okay, I want to see the hidden items. So show hidden items, and next I select the pull-down container and change the float to none. Then I select the unordered list and the position to static. So now let's try it. Export. It works correct, and now I go to the first breakpoint, and now I have a nice mobile navigation on hover. Okay, I duplicate the pull-down container. Let's take 6. Okay. Let's hit the items. It's nice. Now we export it and save it. And now we have a nice pull-down navigation for desktop and also for mobile. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand all.